Hey there, curious cannabis consumers, Canadad here. Today, I'd like to show you Jacob's Ladder. No, not that kind of Jacob's Ladder. You know me, I like to get high voltage. So Jacob's Ladder is an experiment where you have two parallel conductors positioned vertically near each other. And when you apply high voltage across them, an arc forms at the bottom where they're closest. And as it heats up the ionized air, that arc will start to rise up until it gets to the top, breaks, and starts again at the bottom. Okay, so first, I'm gonna get my piece of the conductor here, and I'm gonna use a little piece of string to measure it because I couldn't find my tape measure. So this thing can be right there. So getting along. So that's half that. Right there. And so right about here. Halfway point. And hopefully this will cut through this for me. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so my plan here is to heat these up and melt them down into this piece of acrylic here. So I'll put a couple dots on it about where I want this thing. About here. It should be a little bit more than a centimeter. It's 10,000 volts, so that should be able to jump a centimeter, but I want to be able to kind of bend it into the point where it will begin. So I'm going to heat these up, stick one of them in, and put some water on it. Hopefully it'll work. I don't know. Okay. Alright, well, let's see. Okay, I think that's pretty good and hot. Let's see what it does here. Put water on it. Okay. Let's see. It only stuck a little bit ways in there, but I guess that's about all I need. So, let's just do it one more time. Okay. Okay, well, I think I have two parallel conductors there now. So, alright, I'll take them inside and figure out how to hook up some high voltage to them. Okay, so now I've got my conductors. I heated them up and melted them into this block of acrylic, so you can see. Here's the so there's some contrast right here. Kind of see the conductors here. Definitely gonna have to tweak them a little bit, but so the next part is the high voltage supply. So I've got this high voltage power supply. It's a neon sign transformer. It's sort of a newer one, so it actually has a ground fault in it and stuff, but it puts out about 10,000 volts AC. So I've already got some little alligator clips hooked on here, so it should be easy to hook on, but it's got no power cord. So I am going to need to solder a power cord on here for it. So that will be my next step. Okay, so now I've got my conductors stuck into my little acrylic plate here, and I've got my neon sign transformer, got a cord wired onto it. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna clip these little guys on here, which hopefully won't be too difficult. That's what I designed this for. I don't want these things to like unclip and just short out. So where's the end of the damn tape? Ah, got it. Dokey. And just so you know, this is a special high voltage masking tape. Okay, so now it's time to plug it in and turn it on. I don't know, it might already be turned on. We'll see when we plug it in, I guess. Okay. And now we have power. Hey, there's something. Haha, there's something. Yes, come on, come on, come on. What's your problem there? Do I need to change your voltage? Let's try it again. Oh, I think I should probably turn it off, I think. Does that do it? I don't think that was it. That might be it. Yeah! Oh, okay. I'm gonna unplug this thing. Okay, so now I've got it set back up. I added a couple of little wires here to the bottom to pull these the high voltage clips out, and I tested it with a little piezo electric device, and I was still getting an arc right at the bottom. So I added some hot glue and tested it. Was still getting an arc through it, but I think now might be working okay. So I'm gonna give it a shot. All right, you ready? Let's try it. Yes. It's alive. That is what a Jacob's ladder was supposed to do. There we go. So the arc starts at the bottom at the closest place, and it ionizes the air, and that hot ionized air starts to rise, and so the channel of the arc rises with it until it gets too far apart, breaks, and starts back at the bottom. This is beautiful, isn't it? You might be wondering, what are the practical or scientific applications of this? They are fuck all. But it is a cool demonstration of some plasma physics and some thermodynamics. I think we lit the... So, I hope you enjoyed my video, and like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a good day, and let's get high voltage.